Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn useful cooking verbs vocabulary. Peel. Peel the apples before making the pie. Chop. Chop the cucumber for the salad. Slice. Slice some tomatoes for the salad. Dice. Cut something into small cubes. Dice the apples for the dessert. Grate. Grate some cheese for the pasta, please. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon into the salad. Pinch. Can you pinch some salt on the soup? Mince. Cut or grind into very small pieces. Mince the garlic finely for the sauce. Knead. Knead the dough until it's smooth. Break. Break the eggs into a bowl. Whisk. Stir or mix vigorously. Whisk the eggs for the omelette. Blend. Mix. Blend the ingredients properly. Stir. Stir the soup to mix the flavors. Stir the pasta while it cooks. Beat. Beat the eggs until fluffy. Sift. Please sift the flour into a large bowl. Grill. Grill the chicken for a quick lunch. Let's grill some burgers for dinner. Roast. Roast a chicken for dinner. Fry. Fry the chicken until it becomes crispy. Fry the onions until they're golden brown. Boil. Boil the eggs for exactly 7 minutes. Boil the potatoes until fork tender. Steam. Steam the broccoli until it's tender. Steam the rice for a fluffy texture. Sauté. Sauté the vegetables in olive oil. Sauté the mushrooms until they're golden. Simmer. Boil gently, cook gently. Let the soup simmer for 20 minutes. Simmer the curry until it thickens. Braise. Cook slowly in a covered pot. Braise the meat until it becomes tender. Bake. We should bake cookies this weekend. Drain. Don't forget to drain the pasta after boiling. Drain the excess water from the canned tomatoes. Pour. Pour the milk into the cereal bowl. Pour the tea into the cup, please. Spread. Spread the butter on the bread. Garnish. Decorate food with edible embellishments. Garnish the dish with fresh herbs. Caramelize. Turn sugar into golden syrup. Caramelize the sugar for a rich sauce. Season. Add flavors to enhance taste. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Season the salad with a vinaigrette dressing. Marinate. Soak and flavor food before cooking. Marinate the meat for at least an hour. Marinate the tofu in soy sauce for flavor. Cool. Cool the soup slightly before serving. Let the cookies cool before serving.